Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Micah. We're here to show you an, I guess you'd call it teal, maybe, green, 1955 Chevy 3100. Big window. It's got a small block Chevy motor with an automatic transmission, has power steering, has air conditioning, and I think it's got 4 miles on it since it was restored. So all brand new paint. As you can see, it's gorgeous. All the chrome on the bumpers and lights look brand new. Has this beautiful dark stained wood bed in here. And just a really clean truck. Interior has got black bench leather seat. There's nice two-tone blue and green paint. Oh, beautiful interior too. Basic, simple, but very clean looking. Again, it's got a small block with power steering and air conditioning. All right, here we are, test drive, 1955. 3100 pickup truck, fresh restore. Looks like they got 4 miles on it since the restore. Let's see how she runs. Oh yeah, she's got power. She's shifting through the gears real nice. Horn blows. Air conditioning. Oh yeah, there's the cold air conditioning almost instantly. Speedometer's working, temperature's working, amps is working, oils is working, and gas gauge is working. So all your fuel gauges work. I like this headliner. Good color combo, the white, the green, and the black. Oh, it's on heat. Let's turn that thing to air conditioning once. There's our brake check. There she goes. She shifts nice.